All right, we got my Chevy Express 2017 3500 van here. I'm just gonna do a quick walk around here. Zoom out a little bit. But it's just a basic white 15 passenger van that I'm converting into a camper. And that's Dante, of course, running around playing catch out here. It's gonna be a little background noise, but hopefully you can still hear me here. I just completed a Weldtec lift on it, and that it's a 5-inch Weldtec lift. So it's got spindles in the front. You can see the spindle right there, right underneath there, and then it's got the Fox shocks, both front and back. I'm gonna move away from Dante, who's breathing heavy. So you can see that shock right there. Same thing with the back. But I've got these backcountry all-terrains. Never used them before, but they were a good price. It's a LT 285/75 R16 mud and snow rated. So that's a good tire, 10 ply, I believe. Look at the thread right there. It's got a very good thread pattern, I think. And same thing with the rear here. You can see the Fox shock right underneath there. And then I left the stock wheels on there. I wasn't quite sure quite yet what I want to do with those, but something black I think would look good on that, but still working on that. So that's what we have going on right now. Okay. So here's the inside of the van. I've got some side curtain airbags to contend with up there, but I've started framing it out a little bit. And then in the corner, as you can see, I've got the air conditioning system, which I think I'm going to leave in there and just kind of frame around it so that it still has like a supplemental heat source of some sort. Haven't really done a whole lot in it yet. The front still looks Chevy basic. I've started putting some Noico, Noico, sound deadening. I got that on Amazon. And that's what it kind of looks like on the inside right now. So looking forward to completing it. I'm one of those people, I like to get a job done. I can't build something over a few years, so the sooner I get it done, the better. Here's a view from the back. For the floor, I'm just gonna do I ordered I forget the name now, but I ordered the mat that comes, that's a company makes mats, and it kind of has a sound deadening and insulation properties. So I just got that mat, which I'm also going to use as a stencil to do the plywood for the subfloor. But I'm going to keep that mat in there anyways. So I'm not going to do any insulation for the floor.